Hello, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel again for another great video. Today we are going to present 6 lunchbox ideas for kids. Most of them are one pot, like one dish lunches, and they are very healthy, very nutritious and very tasty as well. And as you can see, they look great. The first recipe is Vegetable Khichdi. It is a household food, very easy to make one pot dish. We're taking 1 cup of rice, add 1/4 cup of moong dal or split moong beans, wash it thoroughly. It will turn out better if you can soak them for half an hour. Rice and moong dal turns out better. In a separate pressure cooker, take 1 teaspoon of ghee, add garam masala, whatever masala you have in hand, add cumin seeds, roast them a little bit. We are going to add bunch of veggies here carrots, beans and potatoes, ginger garlic paste, cabbage, tomato, mint leaves, green chili and curry leaves and spinach. Give them a mix and cook for a few minutes. For faster cooking, you can keep the lid on. Add green peas. Add the rice and moong dal mix. We soak this for half an hour. Add pepper. Freshly ground pepper will give a great smell and taste as well. And add coriander powder and turmeric. This is a nice one pot dish. It will take about 2.5 cups of water. Add salt to taste. Give it a good mix and then keep the pressure cooker lid on and cook for a couple of whistles. And if you give a standing time of 10-15 minutes, it will soak up all the extra water and it will turn out nice. So this is a very nutritious food with a lot of vegetables and very tasty as well. You can serve it with a side of dates and strawberries. It will become a great lunch. This recipe is with meal maker and we are going to make meal maker rice. Take 1 cup of soy chunks, or they are popularly known as meal maker in India. Add hot water to it so that it will fully immersed. Keep it for 10 minutes. It will soak up the water. Take 1/2 cup of curd. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, kasuri methi. Crush it a little bit to a powder and add it to it. Mix it well. This will make the meal maker or the soy chunks very tasty. You are going to find out how. In a pan, take 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add garam masala. Garam masala is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. Add cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Add cashew nuts. Roast them slightly. Add onion, 1/2 cup. Add ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves or pudina. You can add curry leaves and green chilies. Now squeeze out the soy chunks from the water. Now they are soaked up little water and little salt. Saute them for a couple of minutes. Add the prepared yogurt mix with all masalas. Add salt to taste. Saute it for 3 to 5 minutes or until the yogurt is absorbed by it. Now add the rice. We have taken 1 cup of rice, soaked it for half an hour in water. Add the coriander leaves. Add 2 cups of water. In this case we are not using pressure cooker, you might have noticed. It doesn't need pressure cooker, you can cook it with the pot with the tight lid. With the medium flame It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook and give a standing time of 5 to 10 minutes and it is ready. This is very nutritious and very healthy. Soy chunks is full of protein, fiber and other nutrients. Because that is heavy, you can give light vegetables like carrots, cucumber and tomato as a side. It will complement well and it will also keep the kids hydrated. This will become a great lunchbox and very tasty and very healthy as well. This is beetroot rice recipe. For this one we are going to roast the peanuts first. Take a small amount of oil like a teaspoon or less and roast them slowly on a low to medium flame. Roast them until crisp and keep them aside. Once they are roasted, add mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds, red chilies. Split them for added hotness, green chili, curry leaves. Saute them for a couple of minutes. Add about 2 tablespoons of onion, grated onion. Add grated beetroot of 1 cup. Slightly roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and you can keep the lid on and cook for 1 minute. As it is already grated, it doesn't need heavy cooking. Add salt, coriander powder 1 teaspoon each, turmeric half a teaspoon and saute them for 1 more minute. Add already cooked rice about 1.5 cup and add 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Mix it well. Keep the flame medium low. Add the roasted peanuts to it. Peanuts will add the protein part to this dish and serve it to school box. Here in this one, even though beetroots are rich of carbs, but it has a lot of protein in the form of peanuts. Peanuts are supposed to have better protein than even chicken. Add fruit and nut to it. This will become a nice and balanced meal and very colorful and tasty too. Next we are making tomato rice. Take 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add cumin seeds and garam masala. Saute them for a couple of minutes. Add 1/4 cup of grated onion. Roast until golden brown. Add 1 or half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add tomatoes about 1 cup. We have taken about 3 tomatoes here. Use desi tomatoes or vine tomatoes in US for great flavor. Cook for 5 minutes under like a low flame with the lid on. Then add all the seasonings like salt, pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder and turmeric. Cook for 2 more minutes until they become soft. Then add 2 cups of pre-cooked rice. You can use basmati rice or Sona Masuri rice. Add minced coriander and cashew nuts. Mix it all together so that the tomato gets incorporated into rice. It is easy to make and it is ready now. You can add a side of an apple covered with the food preserver, and you can add something like a sesame laddu as a side to complement it. Raita will make a great complementary side dish for it and it will keep the tummy cool as well. This is mixed vegetable rice. Take oil 2 teaspoons. Add whole garam masala and cumin seeds. Garam masala is optional, you don't have to add it. Cumin also will taste great. Add curry leaves, onion about 1/4 cup. Saute them for a few minutes. Add ginger garlic paste about 1 teaspoon and green chilies. Add mixed vegetables about 3/4 cup. It has green beans, peas, carrots and corn. You can use any vegetables that are available at your home. We are adding water about 3 teaspoons and cook them with the lid on for a few minutes so that they will get cooked. Add paneer at the end, about 1/4 cup. Paneer is a great source of protein and calcium. Add grated spinach. Spinach is also very rich in iron and good for health. Saute for a couple of minutes and add a couple of cups of rice. This is pre-cooked basmati rice, but you can use Sona Masuri rice as well. And add a little bit of salt to taste. It's very well balanced and it has all the veggies and goodness from the veggies. You can add a side of banana and add peanut laddu for added protein. And raita complements really well and goes well with the mixed vegetable rice. And it becomes a great lunch box, very tasty and healthy too. This is Pudina rice, and Pudina is a great source of calcium, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C. It's very healthy and traditionally believed to be also medicinal value. Add coriander leaves also to the blend. Add a bit of ginger, garlic and green chili to it, and with a 1/4 cup of water. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee to a warm pan. Add garam masala. If you notice, we are adding very light garam masala like elaichi, cloves and a cinnamon stick with 1 bay leaf. You don't need to add too much of garam masala. Add 1/4 cup of onion. Roast for a few minutes. Now make a fresh blend of the coriander and pudina mix. The reason we are doing this way is to keep it fresh and green. And add the blend directly to the pan and roast it for a few minutes so that it will get cooked and the rawness will cut into. Now add the seasonings. It doesn't need much. Add salt and coriander powder. You can add a bit of black pepper as well if you need. And saute it for a few minutes until it becomes somewhat dry. Then we are going to add a couple of cups of cooked basmati rice. Add lime juice on top so that it will blend well. This is a very healthy and very nutritious lunch box, and you can add any nuts or cashew nuts if you have. And this is a very light food for kids. And you can add a boiled egg and a mix of vegetables like cucumbers and carrots for added taste and nutrition. Thank you very much if you watched until this end. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.